Sorry, hey guys, I'm in here again. If you see my tongue red or something, it's because I just got done eating Takis, so yeah. I'm gonna be doing the soap and sock slime, which I've tried forever to do this, and it wouldn't work. So first thing you're gonna need is some soap, soft soap. I'm using coconut. It really doesn't matter what kind you use, and something to stir in, and some salt. And then something to mix with. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, and then something to mix with. So first, you can just here, let me show you guys. Just adding a little bit. You guys can add however much you want, but I don't want mine to be really big, and I'm just going to stir it first, which I don't know why, I'm just going to. I haven't added any salt to it yet. And I'm going to add some paint, which is going to be red, because I want it to be a cute pink, so you can get some. I just use the tip of this, because you're going to get your hands dirty, so it really wouldn't matter to me. It really doesn't matter to me, so this is what I use. But this just turns into like a light pink, but I want it to be like the pink I want it to be, so I'm gonna add some more. Yeah, that much, and this is the color I want it to be. That it really won't show up that much on camera, but trust me, it's the red I want it to be. If you guys wanted a pink color, then just add a little bit of red. But if you guys wanted like a red color, then add a whole bunch of red. I've actually never made a red one, and I love how red mixes with I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I don't want it to be too little. So, because when you put it in the freezer and it freezes, it turns a little bit. It shrinks a little bit. So now I'm gonna add some. You can just do that, and you'll see some of them come out, but most of them you can't really see. And it'll start looking like not looking like, but it will start like when you touch it, it'll start feeling like jiggly slime. So yeah, that means it's working. Which this one I might have added too much, but I'm gonna try a little more. Yesterday it was working for me, so I don't know. Yeah, I messed up. Sorry guys. Water kind of got in it, so since it's just like a little bit right now, I want the color to still be here, so I just don't really want anything to get out of it. So now that I have that part, then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt again, because I need to try it again. Oh yeah, now it's coming together, because the first one really wasn't coming together. This one is, I can tell. Sorry you guys can't see it. This thing is like really short, so yeah. And don't worry about it getting your hands dirty, because all you have to do is just wash them. I get them dirty all the time, so I don't really care about it no more. So you want to mix it for a while, just to get it like in a good consistency, and then put it in the freezer. for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you will have your slime. But I'm gonna show it to you. So I don't really want to, but I am gonna add like a little bit.
Is what's going on sometimes on a field fair? Hell no. Life ain't fair. Football ain't fair. Don't worry about what happens. Just stay focused. This is the epicenter of junior college football. Guys, Division I.
Oh yeah, that actually kind of helped. So, and I only added like some was on my hand, so I just poured some of that in there, and it actually worked, like, and it helped it more here. You guys see like how little that is? Yeah, like you see how little that is? That's how much slime you'll get. But also it'll be really small because when it freezes, it turns small. So. This might be a little bit too much. I'm just gonna add a little more salt. You guys see that? That's all I did was just add it in there. Sorry. Okay, yeah, this is definitely enough. And just keep on mixing it and mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. And then you can touch it right now, but you just can't really play with it like in your hand. You can touch it and stuff, but it won't stick to your hands that much, but you still need to put it in the freezer because it's better. So yeah. But if this does not work, don't worry about it because it didn't work for me until yesterday, which it barely worked yesterday, but it still worked. So. And I've tried it with soft soap a lot. So maybe coconut just has something in it to make it activate, I guess. I don't know. Like, cause look, you see, it's like that, and then if you hit it, it's like jiggly slime, but yeah. Now, most people think that you have to put it in the microwave, but you don't, because this is not real jiggly slime. It's just like a regular kind of slime, but not really though, so. So yeah.
There's the story this week about a coach. His name is Coach Buddy Stevens. He's the coach at East Mississippi.
I don't know why I feel like I should add a little more salt, because it's not how like jiggly it was yesterday, and I'm not trying to make it perfect, but I just need it. I don't need it, but I really want it to be like good, like how it was yesterday. Oh yeah, that worked. That's all you need.
Can you imagine if the documentary was
okay, and now you can touch it a lot more. And yesterday I made 2, so I'm gonna mix all 3 of them together.
He said after watching the program, I knew we had to change some things. I had to change some things. It's not about you waiting until you get it all together. It is recognizing that you've made a mess. You need to change some things.
It's really jiggly now. So that means that it should be good to go. Now, don't add way too much. Like, it seems like I added way too much, but I didn't because it's not watery, is it? No, so obviously you didn't add too much if it's not water, if it's like jiggly, then that means that you should be good to go to put it in the not microwave. I'm so sorry. If you guys put it in the microwave, it's not gonna do anything. It's gonna melt and be watery. So don't listen to that part. Just skip that part. But put it in the freezer, and it will freeze. So, going to my freezer over here.
It's good to have everybody here. It's good to have our team together.
And then just leave it in there for like 5 minutes. So.
Long time. We got some unfinished
I just keep like a paper towel by me just to wipe my hands off, even though they might get back dirty. I don't really care. I just wipe them off anyways. So I'm gonna pause this until it gets done. Okay, I just checked it, but it's not done yet. But it's actually almost done. Look. So I would put it in there for about like 5 more minutes and see what it does. Mine is basically done, but it's a little sticky, so I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so it should be done by now. Hold on. It should be done right now, so I'm going to get it.
It looked to me like the offensive coordinator was the only one that could talk to. Yes, I agree. But then, to me, the unforgivable thing is what he said to the team afterwards. When he was sitting there calling them street thugs or whatever, like that made me mad. First of all, you don't say that. Like that language is unacceptable. But I'm like you. I fell in love with that woman because she was trying to help
What?
kids.
He was wondering if he could come over to my house. I said I'm not home. Hey, this is the new football one. It's a new season on.
Hello, Brittany Wagner. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
That is her. I can tell by the voice.
Mine is done. Well, it's kind of still sticky, but if you really don't want it to be sticky at all, then you should put it in the freezer for about like 15 minutes, and it won't be sticky or nothing. Which I'm gonna put it in the freezer again because I really don't want it to be sticky at all. Which is really not that sticky, but I still just don't want it to be sticky at all. So back in the freezer it goes, and I'm gonna end this video. Bye, and tune in next time.